Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Food and Drinks. Today I am going to make eggless vanilla sponge cake. Let's get started. Add half cup curd. Add 1 cup of powdered sugar. Next add half cup of oil. Now we will sieve the dry ingredients. Add 1.5 cup of maida. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add 3/4 cup of milk gradually. The cake batter is ready now. Grease the baking tray. Now we will bake the cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Now let's check if it's baked properly using a toothpick. So as you can see, there's nothing stuck to the toothpick. That means it's cooked. Let's cut the cake. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.
If you click my face right here, you can subscribe. Yes, that's right. Click my face, subscribe, guys. It helps me out, it helps you out, then you don't miss an upload. And hopefully I can meet you when I come to your city.